Hold on. Alright, we're going another lap. Out of turn 4, guys. Out of turn 4. Alright, guys. Here we go. Coming up on 25 seconds down. Dan leading the way, Jeff in the 2, Terry in the 3, Art in the 4. Watch your 1 and 2. Yeah. This is race number 5 on the track, race 6. Low suspect car A main, you guys will go next. Oh, upside down in 3 and 4. It's Dan, Jeff, Terry in top 3. Watch the back. Oh, watch turn 4, turn 4. Your leader's coming through there, getting a little tangled up. That's going to turn the lead over to Jeff. Dan down to the 2 now. Corey is up to the 3, so it's Jeff, Dan, Corey, your top 3. Art in the 4, Doug in the 5. Oh, watch down here 1 and 2. It's all clear. Your leader is Jeff, working his way down through 1 and 2, down the back straightaway. Dan running in the 2, Art in the 3 now, Doug in the 4. Race 6, sprint car A main up next, guys. Sprint car A main up next. Jeff leading the way. Dan back up to the 2 now. Dan only 7 tenths back from Jeff. Oh, watch going on turn 4 now. Turn 4. Front straightaway now. Front straightaway. Go low into the bridge into 1. Low into 1. Watch the back. Watch 3. Easy, guys. Easy. Work it out. Alright, all back going. But still Jeff, Dan, Art, your top 3. Dan's still right about 8 tenths behind Jeff. Jeff works his way down the back straightaway, down into turn number 3. Watch coming into 2. Into 3. He's into 3. 4. 110 left to go, guys. 110 left to go. Jeff still leading the way. Dan in the 2, right there, only 6 tenths back from Jeff. Terry running in the 3 now. Art in the 4, Doug in the 5, Corey in the 6, Buddy in the 7, and Jim in the 8 with 55 seconds left to go on race clock. Watch going on to 4. Doug's got an issue. Oh, now it's back going. Watch. Coming on 2. 35 seconds left to go. Jeff still leading the way. 6 tenths over Dan. With 25 seconds left to go on race clock. Oh, watch. That was right back on the track. 15 seconds left to go. 1.3 second advantage for Jeff as he's trying to work his way through some traffic. With 10 seconds left to go, they're going to get one more lap. Oh, then he gets spun around out of 4. Watch out of 4, guys. Watch out of turn 4. And that is time. Waiting on Terry and Art to finish up. And everybody's done, guys. Everybody.